Hello and welcome to another video review section. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you around the Flex dashboard area and everything you need to know in order for you to be able to navigate this amazing software properly and comfortably. All right. So Flex is actually an e-learning platform where you can create your own courses and sell them to your students, and then uh, manage the activities of your students by making sure that they come to the classes, taking attendance, giving them online tests, all right, having live sections with special students, and then a lot of other things that you can do on this platform. All right, it is not really like Udemy. I would say that it is more like Udemy. Okay, it is like a higher grade of Udemy because you get to give your students live tests even while they are still learning. All right, you get to give them live tests. You have a live chat section where students get to discuss basic issues that they have, and this particular chat section is really not available on Udemy. All right, so you have chat sections where students can discuss about a course right on the platform, and then you can review it as the admin or as the course creator. All right, so I'm going to be walking you through the dashboard area to help you understand the things and the details that we have here and how you can manage your account and every other thing you need to do on the Flex platform. All right, so as you can see, I am on the dashboard area. Okay, and on the dashboard area, we have some boxes right on the top, which lists the number of students that you have enrolled. We have the number of courses, online courses that you have created, the number of active sessions, and the number of classes. All right, and down below that section, we have the sales graph that tells you how your sales are going in the past couple of months. And then we have a discussion section. All right, so when there is a discussion going on by your students about a particular course, you get to see a rundown or a brief review of what the section looks like or what is going on in the chat section right here. All right, so you can click on the view all to view all the discussions that are going on. That is when you have students enrolled and they are contributing to the platform. All right, so right below that section, you can see we have the latest users. That means the latest students you just signed up. We have the invoices, we have the recent courses that you've created. So that is all we can see on this section of the dashboard. Right here on the side, on the left hand side of the screen, you can see we have a menu section there. And then you can toggle this menu section by clicking on this button right here. And then you can toggle it to maximize and minimize it. So on that menu section, we can see we have a list of options right there. The first, we have the visit website option, we have the dashboard, we have the training, we have the done for you courses. That is the courses that we provide for you on this platform. We have the courses and sessions, we have the students, we have the classes, we have the video library, we have the attendance, we have the homework, we have the revision notes, the downloads, the discussion, the test, the surveys, and the certificates. All right, so we have the reports as well, we have the blog, we have the file manager, we have the article, and we have the settings. All right, so I'm going to explain all these particular sections briefly. The article is where you get to create content for your blog. The file manager is where you get to provide files that you intend to provide for your students to download during each course. You can upload any video or file formats into this particular file manager section, and then with time you can provide them to your students so that they can download it as well. We have the blog section, all right, where you can manage. If you click it, you have a drop down menu that lets you manage your post, lets you create new posts, and lets you manage the categories on your blog. You can access this blog when you click on the view website section up here. All right, so we have the report section to view reports from your students. We have the certificate section where you can provide certificates for your students after they are done going through each course. All right, we have the survey section where you can add survey and view all surveys. We have the test section where you can provide tests for each course. Okay, for your students that are enrolled in a particular course. All right, you don't want to teach your students about a course and then leave them without a test. You have to give them a test so that when they pass the test, they can now access the certificates. All right, so we have the discussion section, which is uh, the main section of what we are talked about here. All right, discussion sections allows you to see the instructors charts and then the students forum where the students get to discuss about different issues that you might want to know about. All right, we have the download section where you can create download for your students to get, and where you can view all the downloads that your students have that your students that are made available to your students. All right, thank you very much. Now we have the review notes section where you can add notes. Sorry, the revision note section. When you are preparing tests, when you are preparing your students for their test, you can give them revision notes that you want them to go through, more like an area of concentration. All right, so you can provide that by clicking on this add notes section, and you can add notes and specify them to a particular course or class. All right, so above that we have the homework section, which is right here. We have where you can provide homeworks for your students. All right, something that they can do when they are not in class. All right, we have the attendance section. You want to keep attendance of your students whenever they attend the class, so that you can do from this particular section. We have the video library section where you can add video, you can view all the videos, and you can manage your disk space. We have the classes section where you can add classes, you can view all the classes, and you can manage class groups. Remember that each course has its own specific classes. All right, so you can manage the number of classes that each course has, or you can uh, you can create a new class for a particular course. All right, we have the student section where you can view all your available students. You can add the students, you can view active students, you can bulk enroll students. When you have a list of students, you can enroll them in bulk. You can import the data of your students down to the local memory of your system. You can view your students' message, or you can verify a code that your students has provided. Now we have the courses and sections tab. All right, so you can add a new course or a new section. You can add a new course or a new training section. You can view all the available courses and sections. You can manage the category, and you can view the invoices that have been provided for your students who have purchased a course or something or a session. You can view the done for you courses by clicking on this tab. You can view the training videos, which is what I'm making for you now. You can view this one and other training videos when you click on the training tab. You can view a dashboard, which is what we are on now, or you can view your website. All right, so if you have any problem navigating the dashboard, which I'm sure you might not have after watching all the videos provided for you, but if at all you have any problem, you can click on the button down here to access the support desk, where you can speak to a support staff and have your problem solved. All right, so these are the details that have been provided on your dashboard. And in the next video, I'm going to be going into details about each of all these things that we have here. I'll be touching some important aspects of them, and then I believe that when you're done seeing all these videos, you will be good to go with the Flex software. All right, so what I forgot to mention is this particular section right here, which is the account section, where you can view your profile, you can change your email address, and you can change your password, and you can as well log out. All right, so thank you for watching and sticking to the end, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.